Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to build an auto door. We will begin by understanding the fundamental parts that make up an automatic door system. Then, we will delve into the crucial safety features necessary for reliable operation. Next, we'll cover the specific tools and materials you will need for a smooth installation process. Finally, we will walk through the step-by-step assembly and testing to ensure your new auto door works perfectly. Let's start with the core components. You will need a robust motor, reliable sensors, and a smart control unit. For safety, always include photo eye sensors to detect obstructions, preventing accidental closures. Make sure emergency stop buttons are clearly visible and easy to reach. Remember to check the door's weight capacity. A typical residential auto door might handle up to 150 pounds, ensuring smooth and safe operation. Now, let's prepare for installation. You will need basic tools like a power drill, wrenches, and a level. Begin by securely mounting the track system directly above your doorway, ensuring it is perfectly level. Next, install the motor mechanism onto the track and connect its power supply. Finally, carefully attach your door panel to the track and the motor's drive system, making sure it moves freely along the track. The final steps involve wiring and thorough testing. Connect all your sensors, including the photo eyes, to the main control unit, following the wiring diagrams precisely. Once everything is connected, perform several test cycles to ensure the door opens and closes smoothly without any hitches. Adjust the sensitivity settings of your sensors and motor for optimal performance, ensuring a quick response time, typically within 1 to 2 seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.